My name's Christopher Trueblood.
And my name's Haley Willis. This is our fourth quarter ISP for chemistry. The title of our experiment was Bottles Suck Eggs.
Today we are going to show you something that was not on our poster, which is the experiment itself. We are going to take the bottle and the egg and use our matches and a piece of paper, and hopefully the egg will go into the bottle like it did on our experiment.
We will now perform the experiment with printer paper. This experiment was performed also with cardboard, newspaper, toilet paper, and tissue paper.
We are going to perform it, and I am going to light a match, light the printer paper on fire, and then she's going to drop the printer paper into the bottle and then immediately place the egg on top. Here we go.
The reason the egg was able to be pulled through the bottle after we placed the piece of paper that was on fire inside was because the air inside the bottle was being burned up by the fire. And as we all know, fire needs oxygen to stay light. So, in order for the fire to get more oxygen, the egg was pulled through to make an opening so oxygen could get to it.
In this experiment, we were trying to find what different materials have different rates of burning and which ones require more oxygen to stay alight. In this experiment, it showed that cardboard needed the most oxygen to stay alight because its egg suction time was 2.16, which is less than any other suction times of the materials. It showed that tissue paper didn't need as much oxygen because it burned in 8.97 seconds, which is the highest of the material.
Our hypothesis stated the greater the mass of the material, the more oxygen it will require to burn, and the higher the air pressure inside the bottle will be. Therefore, the piece of the material with the greatest mass will pull the hard-boiled egg through the bottle fastest. Our hypothesis was fully supported by our evidence because cardboard weighing 5.42 grams pulled the egg through the bottle the fastest, which means it required the most oxygen. It pulled the egg through the bottle at a time of 2.16 seconds. The tissue paper had the least mass. It was 0.08 grams, and it took the most time, 8.97 seconds, to pull the egg through the bottle.
In conclusion, we showed you how to suck an egg into a bottle using the experiment we chose. Our hypothesis fully supported our data because the material with the most mass took the least amount of time to burn.
Our experiment showed the relationship between mass in grams and the required oxygen to burn that piece of material.
My name is Christopher Trueblood.
And my name's Haley Willis. This is our fourth quarter ISP for chemistry. The title of our ISP was Bottles Suck Eggs.
Today we're going to show you something that was not in our experiment, which is the experiment
Poster!
itself.
Poster!
Gosh darn it!
I was just listening.
My name is Christopher Trueblood.
And my name's Haley Willis. Dang it.
Now we messed up. Suck it.
Yeah, you're being quiet. Okay.
Chris.
What the heck?
Poster. Oh, jeez. That was too long. You jerk. Hey, hold it. Did you see that you were like putting it over so I couldn't drop it in, you jerk?
Somebody get water. Somebody. I do.
The reason the egg was Just take your time. I can just edit it out.
Okay. Okay. Our experiment.
Come on, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Alright.
You got it.
Our Our experiment showed the
Come on, you got. Wait.
I can't do it.
Not even a minute till you're